Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you open Waze, and instead of seeing roads and your location, the screen stays blank. No map, no traffic, nothing. This can happen for several reasons, including server connection issues, cache corruption, or a problem with your phone's connection to your car. So first and first, wanna go ahead and check your internet connection. Waze needs a data connection to load map tiles. Make sure you have a stable server or Wi-Fi connection. Try loading a website to confirm. If this didn't work, you can try to clear the cache. Corrupted cache data can prevent maps from loading. On Android, you can easily go through settings, apps, look for Waze, storage, then clear the cache. On iPhone, you will need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Now it's basically time to reinstall the app. If cleaning the cache doesn't work, clean reinstall is the next step. Uninstall Waze, restart your phone, and reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. Make sure you remember your login details. Otherwise, basically you can't connect your own account. Also make sure you are checking the connection on Android Auto. If you are using Android Auto and the map isn't loading, try using a different high quality USB cable. Testing with a different phone to see if the issue is your phone or your car. Then updating your car's system software, clearing the cache for Android Auto itself, separate from Waze, that would help you as well. You can also try to send logs to dev team so they can help you. If the map still won't load, you can send error logs to Waze devs. Open Waze, go to help and feedback, send logs, describe the problem and submit. This helps the dev team identify and fix the issue. And that's the main idea here. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.